Hello friends, this is Raj Sastry from Raj Option Trading. Today is April 4, 2022. Let's take a look at most beaten down stocks with a positive cash flow. We'll start with the market update, look at most beaten down stocks with volume more than 1 million shares traded and positive cash flow. So with that, look, today gold is down because the Fed rate hike might have some impact on gold. That's why it came down today. And according to Morgan Stanley, we are having a bear market rally. So we got to watch out for this. Let's look at some signs to see if it's the case or not. So with that, today overall, look, we had a nice rally in market. Look, Dow Jones Industrial Average in 1-day chart went up nicely. Look, nice uptick here. Nicely up 103 points here. And NASDAQ is up very nicely here. Nice 271 point increase in today's rally, and S&P 500 also up nicely, as you can see here. Overall, I say very good rally, but futures are telling a different story. Look, from a future perspective, Dow Jones Industrial Average down 37, S&P 500 down 4, NASDAQ futures also down, oil is jumping higher, and treasuries interest rates are coming down slightly. So we might expect probably a little bit down day tomorrow after a magnificent rally today, and we'll go into a little more details. All right, so with that, from a market perspective, first we got S&P 500 chart here. Look, S&P 500 has a nice rally today, a little bit uptick as you can see here, and good rally today. But in the futures market, look, it's down 5 points. But look, as the market is going higher, look what's happening to the volume. Volume is coming down off late. If you look through here on the balance, volume is a little bit down. That tells you this rally may not have too much legs in it, so we got to be a little bit careful here. I want the rally and the market on the balance volume going up. Look here, we had a nice rally here, and look, on the balance volume is pretty steady here. That tells you the market is good here. It can continue. But the moment we got market rally going on, but on the balance volume is telling contrary, so you got to be watching out here. So that's why I'm not a big believer. I'll wait for a pullback here, then I buy this pullback and go from there. And similar situation going on in NASDAQ. Look, nice rally confirmed by on the balance volume, good story, but now there is a rally. But look, on the balance volume is telling, hey, not so fast, so we got to be careful here. And we got Dow Jones Industrial Average, something similar here, but this one has got a little more legs. Look, it's trying to go higher slowly, so it might have some legs, but in general, on the balance volume is coming down. That's not a good sign here. And Russell, same story. Look, volume is dying down here, so we got to be careful here. All right, so with that, let's look at bonds. From a bond perspective, look, bonds are selling off big time. Look, down tick here. Volume is also low. On the balance, volume is low. 10-year treasury or the interest rate, as you call it, interest rates are jumping higher, which is not so great. This is why you got to be looking at the inflation. So interest rates are going high. Fed might increase the rates. And look, crude oil is a rocket ship. Even though crude oil came down here, look at on the balance volume. It's telling you, hey, there is a parties on here. Crude oil is going higher. You can buy this dip here. It will go higher, mainly because there is a Russian oil and there is an issue with the disruption here. That's why oil is partying here. That's a good one, even up here. And then you got gold. Gold is also good. Look, even though gold came down here, that's a good buying opportunity. Volume is telling you, hey, you know what, safe metal is good. Folks might buy this metal here. All right, so with that, let's jump in and look at the ETF action. From an ETF perspective, look, today financials took down the chin here, came down big time. Look, it's down for last 1 day, 5 day, 10 day. And look at the IV percentile. IV percentile is just 13, so volatility is very low in financials. But if you're a long-term buyer or long-term investor, you could buy some XLF or your favorite financial stocks. They will do well. And look, SPY even though it went higher, look at the volatility in SPY. So volatility or IV percentile is 37, a little bit higher as you can see here. And then you got EM, emerging market, and look at QQQ here. QQQ, even though it went up nicely, there's a high volatility 50. So you could make some good money selling put options on a down day. Today it's up nicely. I would not sell put option in today's market because it's up nicely, even though IV percentile is high. And we got a few more here. So overall, as you can see here, most of the stocks and most of the ETFs did well today, with the exception of few safe haven names like silver is down because it's a safe haven metal, and we got government bonds, and we got XLV healthcare is down because other things are going well. Gold is down. That's what is going on here. All right, so with that, let's jump in here, look at most beaten down stocks. So from a most beaten down stocks perspective, let's pull it a little bit to the side here. From a most beaten down stock perspective, look, we got few names here. One of my favorite is MATX. So look, it's down 11% today. And look, overall score is 99. That's very good here. And keep watching one day. It's sorted by one day performance. One day it came 11% down. So this is a good one to buy at these levels here. Look, it's a positive net margin company. Company is making money. Very, very, very low RSI. It's down for 1 day, 5 day, 10 day. And look, they got positive cash flow. Actually, cash on the balance sheet as well as positive cash flow. It's a good one to buy here. You could slowly buy this MATX here. And in the shipping area, I think SBLK Star Bulk is a better name here, mainly because it's a positive. They got nice cash on the balance sheet, positive cash flow, and nice Altman Z-score. Company not in financial trouble. Nice overall score. That's why if you want to invest in shipping, you could go with the Star Bulk here. It's a better play here. Nice net margin of 48%. And if you have if you want to buy some gold, look, GFI is a good one here. You could buy this gold stock here, just $14. Look, it's done very nicely in the last 5 years, and it's a good one here with the positive net margin. You could buy some GFI here. RSI 49 tells you it's also sold off below 50 is good. And we got a few more here. I will not go through all of them. Keep watch on this net margin here. I like net margin, the higher the better. We got a few gold stocks which are down big time here. Even GOGL, look, it's down big time. And it also has nice cash on the balance sheet. Not as high as GFI, but still better. And we got Zimmer, Zim, look, it came down big time here. They got a lot of cash on the balance sheet. You could slowly start buying some Zim here, take advantage and go from there. And keep watching the cash on the balance sheet. This ORI, they got a lot of cash on the balance sheet, and they also have nice free cash flow here. And look, they also have positive net margin. You could look at this company also here. And Peabody Energy, it's not a consistent performer as you see here. If you look at the 10-year, it's down 11%. I mean, 5-year down 11%. But off late is going higher. I would wait for it to come down a little bit. Given RSI is 58, a little high for me. And look, we got a few more here. Keep watching the overall score here. Higher the better. Baxter is coming down off late. Look, it's down big time for a while now. I'm watching this one closely. It's sold off completely. I might slowly start buying some Baxter here, even though they got a little bit higher debt to equity ratio. But they do have enough money. Current ratio is above 1. It tells you they got enough money. So you could look at this one here. Slowly start buying. It might jump up after a while here. And we got a few more here. Keep watching net margin here. All great net margin here. I like higher overall score here. We got one right here. I think it's tech resource? No, ACGL. ACGL is a good one here. Look at, they got a net margin 24% here, and overall score is 93. That's a good overall score. You could look at this one also. Anyone tech resource, the next one also a good one here. You could buy this one too. Look, it's got overall score of 87, which is good enough. And this one is trying to go higher here. I would not buy at this time. RSI is 57, a little bit high for me at this time here. All right, so let's look at a few more. Even IFF here, it's a spice stock here, international fragrance. You could buy this one also here. RSI is 53. It's a good one here. Look, a lot of money on the balance sheet. You could buy this one also here. All right, so we got a few more to go here, and we'll look at few of these things. Look, from a net margin perspective, many of these are nice positive net margin and down in one day, as you can see here. Keep watch on the RSI. I like the RSI to be, below 50, so those have more room to run. On the other hand, stock like SBRA, RSI a little high for me. I would wait on this one here. And I like higher scores, overall score. Look, we got one right here. Schneider, you might be looking at this Schneider truck on the road. It's beaten down big time. At this time, it's a good stock to buy slowly and accumulate. Look, they got money on the balance sheet, 294 million, and they got free cash flow positive. Nice overall score of 84. It's a good one to buy here. And we got a few more here. We got Twink or Hostess here. Nice overall score of 91. Stock is down. I would wait on this one. Look, RSI 66. Tells you got to wait a little bit. No hurry to buy at these levels. And we got Moderna. Look at the perfect 100 out of 100 score here. I think it's a good one to slowly buy. RSI is 53. Stock has been battered down, but this might have some short-term pain here. If you want to buy slowly, you could, but don't buy, fast, and don't load up big time. And we got a few more here. A lot of these trucking names are down. Look, HUN, it's also down big time. Nice overall score here. And RSI is 44. Tells you could buy this at these levels here. And we got a few more here. CME is one of my favorite stock. It's in the financial area here. It's a good one to buy, even though score is not great here. It's a good one to buy at these levels here. RSI 44 tells it's sold off big time here. And keep watch on the overall score here. We got a few more to go here. We got CCJ. This is also a good one to buy. Look, RSI is high. I would wait on this one here. Let's not jump in here. Let it cool off a little more. And we got one more here, Anthem. Anthem is RSI 58. I would wait on this one also. It's too high for me. On the other hand, HCA, it's a good one to buy here. Look, net margin positive company. Also, overall score is 76. RSI 37 tells you stock is sold off. Look, stock is sold off big time here. You could buy this one. This will do well over the long haul. All right, so with that, thank you very much. Happy investing and trading. Please subscribe.